Learning to use a wiki, step 1. You were sent the email address of our class wiki. When you click on it, you will go to our class. But if something happened and you don't have that email, you can still join our class. I've marked that link in my browser, and actually in Chrome it shows right here. So I can go to blended learning. When I get here, I need to check and make sure that my name, my username, and my picture is here. That will happen after you create a wiki account and you accept the invitation to come. If you do not have a wiki account, you will see the word join right up here, and you can click it, and if you read the directions carefully, it will show you how to create a wiki account. Be careful that you pick a username that really relates to you. If you haven't done that and you have some obscure name for the wiki, you can go into your profile and change that. I've asked that all of you have a picture or symbol. How do you do that? You click on, once you've joined and you've made your own wiki, you click on your name, and up comes a dashboard, and it's under Settings. And when you go to Settings, you can change your username or change your email, but you can also upload a picture. So you'll want to upload a picture. In my case, I'll have to change the picture. So I click Change, and it says choose a file. So you already have the picture you want on your desktop someplace. Mine is in my picture library, and I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to upload it. And it comes in, and it allows me to crop it to make it the right size. And I'm going to move this here, and I'm going to crop my image. And then I have to go and choose accept, done, or whatever it says. When I try to do this on my computer with this recording device, I can't seem to get to the bottom of the page, but you will find where to choose it. One of the things I didn't tell you was that when you create that wiki account, it has to be confirmed via your email. And I just made a new account for myself, so I'm going to show you when I go in my email that Wikispaces has sent me a confirmation. And they have sent me a lot of important information and tutorials here. But the most important thing is down below here where it says click this to confirm your email. Right there. And when you click it, it now lets you go into the Wikispace website. Now, when I go to our website, I can see that I have a very small picture and my name here. And my name is identifiable. The thing that I forgot to tell you is, if you do not see your picture and name here, you've got to repeat the process because you can't get credit for the course if you're logged in as a guest. You must have a wiki account. Please just carefully read the directions, every single one, as you go through the steps, and you will be fine. The thing with computer directions is that most of us skip around and don't read carefully, and we can get very lost. Don't get frustrated, don't get upset, just go slowly and read it all. Now, there are two other important things that I want to mention to you. One is that your main menu bar is here. In this top part, separated by Search the Wiki, the only thing that you really need to pay attention to in the beginning is the projects. And the only project that will be open to you on the first day is your journal. You will find it here. But the most important pages for learning are down here, and you're on the home page with directions for you to read, but you can go into each week this way. And here's week 1, and it clearly tells you everything that you need to do for this week. If you try to write on this page, it may be locked because this is one of the instructor's pages, but student pages are open to editing. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to click on the help page, and it comes up, and I can choose the word edit to make changes to this page. I can make any changes I want on this page because it's open. But those changes will not show up until I have clicked the word save. Too often, people come into these pages and start clicking and wonder why nothing happens. That's even happened to me. You always must choose edit and then do something and save it. Notice this toolbar has edit, and then it has the discussion board next to it. It's in the discussion board that you will be able to post messages, a new post, or reply to messages like this. And you can read what it says, and below you will see the word reply, and you can put in your reply. And actually, you should choose to monitor any topic that you write in, because that means that Wikispaces will send you an email notification that somebody has written back to you. Now I'm going to navigate the wiki by clicking on the menu bar, and that'll take me back to home. What I also wanted to tell you was that when you click edit, you get a whole set of new tools. You can type in bold, italic, underline. You can change the color or whether it's centered and how big it is. If it starts, the font that you have starts getting small, you can make it bigger, 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 bigger. And it shows you a sample down there. And I'm going to cancel that because I'm not changing that right now. You can also do numbers and bullets. And here's the word link. There is actually a video on how to link web addresses, and this is the way it goes. And there's also one on putting a file in. You will be asked to put files in your journal frequently, and also in your project pages. Don't worry about the widgets yet, but the comment section is another one that we have a video on. Now you're set to go, because when you save your changes, it goes back to edit, discussion board, comments. There's a video on that. And every time you make a change, it's saved so that we can always revert back to the way it was originally, and many other options. But that's really all you need to know to get started. So relax, enjoy yourself, read carefully in the directions, and you will be just fine. If you're not, find a digital native nearby and ask them to give you a little help in the beginning.